Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Open the cover of the plastic case located on the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 13mm socket, release the holding screw for the cables on the positive terminal. Finish taking them off by hand. Then take out the two electric cables. Lift the holding latch on the terminal to be able to remove it. Unclip the whole of the box and position it so that it doesn't get in the way of future movements. The calculator stops you from accessing the battery holding system. You must pull it out. To do this, take it in your hands and pull upwards. To remove the cover of the battery box, pull upwards to unclip it, then towards you to take it off. Using a socket wrench and an 8mm socket, release the negative terminal and remove it. To remove the battery, push down on the first plastic tab, lift up the locking system, then extract it. Using a large flathead screwdriver, move the second tab and simultaneously remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.
Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. To put the battery back in, incline it to the right, or while inserting it into the holding spurs, or while inserting it into the holding spurs on the battery box. Once in place, push down on the battery to clip and position it correctly in its housing. Put the plastic tab and the locking system back in place. Then put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully before fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Put the battery cover back on, inclining the cover forward so that it goes in, then push it downwards to lock it in place. Put the calculator back in place, making sure to slide it onto the rails. Put the plastic box back in by sliding it towards you into its housing. Open the cover, then put the first cable back in place, which should still be in place on the vehicle. Remember to correctly position the cable into the correct place indicated on the battery box. The second cable is linked to the positive terminal. You also have to pass the guide before fixing it into the board. Finish by tightening the screw with the help of a socket wrench, then close the cover. Reconnect the positive terminal while simply flipping the locking cap downwards. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.